First of all, on this image I can see a robot that is being used for constructing a structure at a desertic area. While analyzing this image, two main points came to my mind. The first one is the question, is technology good for humanity? And my answer is, it depends on how technology is being used. Because on one hand, we have all these new communication patterns that can allow a person who lives in Colombia to talk with another person that lives in Canada or in Australia or any other country. Also, additionally, we can say that technology has many points to work on. A great example is genetical engineering, an area where we can get pregnant a sterile woman, or we can improve life quality of a population. A good example is the golden rice, a genetically modified rice that is rich on vitamin A, and it is used on populations that can't afford the minimal dose of this vitamin. On the other hand, we have the problem of people getting addicted to internet and mass media, which increases the individuality levels and depression levels consequently. Another problem is that technology relates with mass destruction weapons, and well, that point can lead to other destruction. But how I say it, a person doesn't kill another person. A gun can't kill another person, but a human can. Yeah. Okay. The second point is the Venezuelan stereotype on my country, Colombia. Do you know that in the United States there's the phenomenon with the Mexican people and the Muslims? Because people go to the US thinking that their life will improve, but this maybe doesn't happen because the forced assimilation on that country is so strong that when they don't fit on the standards, the discrimination starts, and that's what is happening on my country with Venezuelan people. We are blaming them for our economy's failures, and well, that's not reasonable. If you ask a Colombian that how normal is to see a robot like this, he will say, no, it's not normal to see that robot. Because here in Colombia, we haven't advanced on technology. And we need to technify our agriculture, and we have to begin producing technology. Because if we had a strong economy model, and we can have it because we have resources, when we achieve this, we can let all the Venezuelans to immigrate here, and we are going to have jobs for them. Well, maybe I'm exaggerating, but it's the point. Yeah. Well, thank you for listening to me.